Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode in the Let's Talk series. And today we are here to speak about RCB and KXIP. On the panel we have Anirudh, Amog, Dia, and Akshay. Okay, so we'll start off first with Dia. So it's always, as per the saying, ladies first. Okay, Dia, what do you think about the playing 11? Do you think we'll have to fix the same one, or do you think there are any changes required?
If we see the last match, then the way RCB performed was brilliant. Batting was very good. The top order performed really well. Middle order, AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli were pretty well. Like they handled the middle order, the middle overs really well. But I think the opening bowling pair of Dale Steyn and Umesh Yadav, they can be changed. But the spinners and Navdeep Saini, everyone performed really well. I think RCB got all their bases covered except for the fast bowling. So I think a little bit of minor changes, if that can be made, so it will be better this time. So RCB will look like, one really dominant attack. So that can be, changed a little bit.
Yes. So since we spoke about the playing 11, so this question is to Akshay. Do you think the KXIP will also change their 11, like get in someone like Gale, who has a phenomenal record against RCB as well, and for RCB?
Yeah.
So do you think someone like Gale can come into the playing 11, or and also Mujib?
Yeah,
I feel
I think
Nicholas Puran. Okay.
I think Gale can come in. He also knows the team well. I think he can provide some additional impact right up there at the top, along with KL Rahul. Both of them are ex-RCB, of course. I think it will also play a bit, but whether it is an absolute must, I don't think so. I just feel that he adds an extra layer of dynamic, and if he does come in, that will be good. And I'm actually interested in seeing somebody like Mujib play. In the previous Let's Talk series for KXIP, I already thought he would play. And we see that they also have similar issues like RCB with Chris Jordan leaking a lot of runs. And Dubai seems to be a pitch which gives only 150, 160. It doesn't seem to be a belter of a track. I think extra spin option is the way forward.
Yeah, so that's it's up to the next question. Since you spoke about Mujib, Amok, this is for you. So if Mujib is playing, how do you think the RCB batsman would tackle? We know we have an inexperienced middle order after AB. So how do you think they will tackle?
That's actually quite a tricky question. I hope the RCB team has a solution for it. If he does play, of course, this is ifs and buts here. Hopefully, they will look. The spin I've mentioned, the spin will be the most important, talking point throughout the IPL, and especially in the fag end, it's going to get even more tougher. So spin will be the way you have to tackle it. That 8 overs, it's going to be maximum of 8 overs. Try milking 50, 56 runs out of those 8 overs, and you can bank on the other bowlers and score.
Yeah.
Right. So Ani, we spoke about playing 11. So I'll throw up this question to you. Do you think someone like Siraj should be in place of Umesh, because Umesh did not have a great game, but do you think it was just an off game and you would want to go ahead with Umesh, or you would want any changes in the team?
Abhi, as this is just our second game, and the first one we started off on a winning note. I don't want to change the winning combination as such, and I would want to stick with this 11, provide some time for the players, give another chance. But still, moving forward, I still see the lot of drawbacks with our team. Umesh Yadav leaking runs would be a big factor. I see a very inexperienced middle order there. Josh Phillip wasn't that great behind the wickets. Shivam Dube is not our death bowler, although he bowled pretty well that match, and even his finishing skills are to be improved. So there are a lot of things to improve on it, but I will still stick with the same 11.
Yeah, I'm with Nia on this actually.
Yeah, actually.
Actually, Virat Kohli is known for making changes to the playing 11, and I also agree with actually Anirudh, because just because of one game we cannot say that Umesh is bowling bad or leaking runs. So he should be given chances this time as well. I agree, and Virat Kohli should actually this time stick with the playing 11 for at least 4 to 5 matches in order to figure out that winning combination. So, and that will be the key to win the tournament this time. So he should stick with the same playing 11.
Yeah. So
And
Dia, how
just I'd like to
excited?
add one more point here. Virat
Yes.
has to give more overs to Washington Sundar. So I would like to Washington Sundar to bowl all his 4 overs there. So he's a future Indian prospect. So he should get more chances there, I feel.
Adding to this, I feel he can be made to bowl in the power plays, because he's like known to be bowling in the power plays only. And the way we saw the bowlers were leaking runs during the power play only. So I think if Washington Sundar will come in and bowl 2 overs in the power play, so that can provide a good start to the team with the bowling as well.
Yeah.
So we are speaking of bowling here, right? So we all know how dangerous KXIP batsmen are, right? So if you are the captain, Amok, what would you do? Like, how would you put brakes on the KXIP batsmen?
Well, it's simple. Get their wickets. That's all I can say. So, yeah, I mean, KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal. That's it. These two
Yeah.
are the two big factors. And they are very smart cricketers. Just like Virat, they like to play their innings throughout the 20 overs. So you need those 2 wickets. Those two are the big factors for them. If you've got those 2 wickets, I think their middle order doesn't have the potential to win them a match. You
Yeah.
could see that even in the last match, Mayank Agarwal was the sole reason why they came close. So yeah, it's going to be just those 2 big names which I mentioned.
Yeah. And
Yes. Yeah. Continue, Akshay.
yeah, so I think they are, of course, our most important wickets that we need, but we should still ensure that we get periodic wickets, I would say. That's important. We shouldn't give the likes of Maxwell or Pooran a chance to come back. Never do that.
Yeah. Now talking of Maxwell, how excited are you to see the Maxwell Chahal battle? Dia, you can take up this.
I have been a very big fan of Chahal since 2017. I remember 2017 was the series India versus Australia, when we saw that bunny moment, as we say. In every match, Yuzi Chahal was getting the wicket of Maxwell, and that's when I, became the real fan of Yuzvendra Chahal. And I feel that psychological advantage will always be with Yuzi Chahal, because he also knows that, if Maxwell is going to see me, he gets intimidated. He tries to step out, and Maxwell is a player who is known to play big shots, and it's really courageous on the part of Yuzvendra Chahal to bowl those loopy balls, those spin the way he bowls. It's like really risky, but that actually works for him all the time. So whenever he steps out to Maxwell steps out to bat Yuzi Chahal, he gets hit wicket out, stumped out. So that will always work, and I'm always excited to see whenever we see Yuzvendra Chahal and Maxwell, because it's always Yuzi Chahal who takes the wicket of Maxwell. So this is a very exciting
Yes,
battle.
got it.
I'm just excited for that.
Yes, I'll throw up some numbers on this. Like Maxwell has got out to Chal 5 times, and
Yeah.
his average against Yuzi is like 15. So
Yeah.
it's good signs for
Very
us.
good.
Good things for us.
Yeah.
So
I hope it
yeah,
remains similar. It remains similar
Like
today
it.
as well.
And gets better.
yes, yes. I would want you people to pick one star performer for today's game. Akshar, you can start. Then Ani, Amog, and Dia. It goes
For-
by that order. So
Okay.
Akshar.
For RCB and KXIP, or just
No, just for RCB. We want RCB to win, of course. So
yeah,
we
right.
want you to name the star performer for RCB.
Yeah. As always, Okay, star performer. I think I have my eyes again on the top two. I want to see what Devdutt Padikkal and Aaron Finch put those big numbers once again.
Okay. Ani?
Star performer would be ABD. ABD has got a tremendous record against Cakes IP, and probably hope to see him being the best of it today as well.
Yes, that's a good point because last year he won man of the match when we played Cakes IP both the times. So yeah, good one.
Okay.
Amog, your thoughts?
Yeah, my thoughts is like, see, we got to see a brilliant knock from Rohit Sharma because he kind of missed out on the last match and he bounced back and he showed why he's number one of the best batsmen in the world. So I'm just, like for like, I'm guessing Virat Kohli would up his game as well and put in a 50 minimum this match. So that way he would be my star performer today.
Yeah, you had to get Virat Kohli, right? Like whatever it is, you had to get Virat Kohli there.
I had to.
Yes.
Actually, my
Dia,
answer
your
is also
thoughts?
same. I'm also a Virat Kohli fan, but this time, just like last match, I was not biased. I picked Yuzvendra Chahal as my key player, and he actually performed. And this time, I feel, as Amog said, that Virat Kohli can bounce back in this match. And who can forget that 2016 innings? I mean, it's a bit old, but that century that he had hit, that 113 runs in just 15 overs. In the game of 15 overs, that was that is one of my favorite knocks of Virat Kohli. So knowing that he can perform well against Kings 11, so I'll also go with Kohli because his first match obviously it didn't go well. So he'll definitely be raring to bounce back this time in this match.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, we just hope we have a great game today. It's like we always tell RCB be a team, so we're hoping
Yeah.
for the exciting game, and we hope RCBA, that's our team, which comes out as a winners. So thank you guys
And
for
there is one
joining
psychological,
for yet
just adding
another.
one more point in the last, that there is one psychological advantage to the RCB team as well, because in the last 4 outings, like whenever RCB and Kings 11 Punjab have faced each other since 2 years, it's RCB who has been winning all the matches. So they will be coming with that momentum, just like we saw against SRH. The last match we have won against SRH last year, and then we won the next match as well. So this time that might be the case that last year also we defeated Kings 11, and that after that 6-0 loss, the first win was against Punjab. So this time around also we can see Punjab us defeating Punjab and registering our second win of the tournament, hopefully.
Yes, let's hope we make it 5-0 against Punjab and 2-0 in the
Yeah.
contest. So thank you guys for
Yeah,
joining
totally.
for this
Yeah.
episode.
Very much.
Hope
Thank
to
you.
see you guys soon after the win. So see you guys. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
All the
you.
best, guys. Yeah.